How to edit a post on Reddit. If you have previously post on Reddit, now you want to edit that particular post, then this video is for you. For that, first of all, launch any browser you have on your device and on the searching bar, search for Reddit and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, choose a particular post that you want to edit. Once you choose that post, on the top right corner of that post, you will see three dots. If you hit on that three dot, a pop-up will be appeared where you will see a lot of options. Among them, you have to choose edit post option. From here, you can easily edit that post and hit on save. Once you do that, your post will be edited. In this very easy step, you can easily edit a post on Reddit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.